Welcome to Unique Builds Lab. Today we will see the work of a dedicated man named David, who is building a wooden cabin in the peaceful countryside. With patience, passion, and his own hands, he is creating his dream home completely from scratch, turning a simple vision into reality. From the very first log to the final finish, we will witness every step of this remarkable journey, leading to a beautiful and comfortable home surrounded by nature. The ground level is being measured precisely, and the holes are being dug accordingly. After the holes are dug, they are being filled with compacted wood shavings, and no cement is being used at all. A wooden frame is being constructed on top of the wood shavings, which will serve as the base of the house. Wooden planks are being laid so that the frame is strong and stable, forming a solid foundation for the cabin. After the frame is built, it is being covered completely with wooden planks, forming a solid floor base. This is being done so that the entire structure has a stable, level surface, ready for the next steps in the build. After the frame is built, it is being covered completely with wooden planks, forming a solid floor base. This is being done so that the entire structure has a stable, level surface, ready for the next steps in the build. Once the entire structure is complete, after the roof frame is built, a thick layer of black poly sheeting is being placed on top. Another layer will be added after that to fully cover the roof and protect it from the elements. Now, she is cutting wooden planks into small, decorative pieces and placing them side by side along the wall. This is creating a beautiful, intricate design, adding an attractive and unique look to the entire cabin. After covering the entire wall with planks, she is now building a frame for the window and installing it into the space that was left. The frame is being placed, but the window itself is not installed yet. Now, she returns to the roof work, adding a plastic layer first, and then securely attaching wooden planks to form a structured layer. Just like the walls, she is placing wood on top of the roof, creating a stylish, cohesive look. Not only that, once the roof structure is complete, to prevent any water issues, since it's made of wood, she applies a polish that gives it a shiny finish, making it waterproof and protecting it from rain. Around all four walls, the gaps between the wooden walls and the roof are being filled with measured wooden planks, closing each space. This is being done so that the cabin looks fully finished, with a clean, complete appearance throughout. After finishing all the main work, the crucial step now is making the door and windows for the cabin. She is creating the door herself, ensuring it is perfectly crafted for her dream home. In the small cabin's entrance, where there was space on both sides of the door, she has covered it with long wooden planks, making Finally, she is installing white, transparent glass in the window. This had to be done now, as before, it could have been scratched due to the nearby local road, since there is no parking space available.